Okay, so now let me open Anaconda prompt here. Let me search for Anaconda. So okay, so we have Anaconda prompt here. Just open it. Yep. Okay. So now we have our Anaconda prompt. So here we have the commands that we need to execute to run the to install these packages. Basically, we're going to install PyDot plus TensorFlow GPU or TensorFlow. I will suggest you can only install PyDot plus. You don't need TensorFlow GPU because mostly you'll be running a TensorFlow on AWS, not on your local PC. So for those reasons, we can only install PyDot. That would be sufficient for you. So copy that and just paste it over here. Okay, and just execute it. So it may take few minutes to install it. You can wait for that. Okay, so now it is asking for proceed or not. So you can click Y for proceed and hit enter. So it will be starting downloading some packages from internet now. Okay, so now the installation is done successfully. So far, we have finished the installation so far. Okay, so far I guess this is enough. I will suggest you don't want to install TensorFlow. It's optional. If you want to install it, you can install it. But TensorFlow will be used mostly on AWS, so we can skip it as of right now. Okay, so for once this is done, so I will tell you what exactly you need to do next. So now we will close this window. I will tell you what exactly you guys can do now. I will also close this. So now, okay, for example, let me make a one small folder here, maybe just to, okay, let it be a new folder itself. I will, okay, so then, yes, so far like I have created a new folder here. So now what we will do, now we will go to a search again. We will click Anaconda and open the command prompt. So now here you type a command Jupyter Notebook. One second. Yeah. So Jupyter Notebook, copy it and paste it over here. So basically what happens, you can see my directory C user Sharad. It's my home directory. Yeah, fine. So then we will open it in a home directory itself. Click enter. So once you click enter, it will open a Jupyter Notebook. Hit enter. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now I clicked it. Yes. So you can see it tells, okay, so it is opening your local Jupyter Notebook in this particular directory. So here is the window just it open now. Yeah. So now Jupyter Notebook is opened. So Jupyter Notebook is the IDE that we're going to use in this course, mostly on top of AWS on locally on your PC to execute our Python command basically. So yeah, this is my home directory. That's why you can see like desktop, documents, downloads, links, music, all those stuff basically. So this is a Jupyter Notebooks. We'll see in depth what is Jupyter Notebook, how to use Jupyter Notebook in the course curriculum when we get forward. Okay, so this is all about installing. So right now we have installed Anaconda, we have installed on package, and we have opened the Jupyter Notebook. So far, like the basic the installations are done. So now we will finally get into how to create a AWS account. Yeah. Okay, so now you go back to Google, you just search for AWS and you can click the first domain that you get. So you'll be diverted to this page and now you click on sign in to console here on a top right corner. So in case if you have a AWS account already, you don't want to create a new one. So if you don't have, so yeah, when you are diverted to this page, you can click on sign in with a different account. So in case if you're diverted to this account, and so you'll be diverted to this page. Here you can click create a new account. So yeah, finally will be diverted to a page where you can create a new AWS account basically. So here you can enter all the basic necessity details that you need to provide. So email address, password. After entering this, you will be getting into one more page where you need to enter your debit card details, debit card or a credit card details. One thing you need to remember here, so because cloud platforms are not a free services basically, it may be AWS or Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure. They are the paid services obviously. So the debit card that you're adding is just for a verification. You don't want to worry because once you register account, as they are displaying here, you'll be getting a 12 months free trial. So this entire course will be conducted under that free trial only. So you don't want to worry about it. So basically, they will be charging, I guess, 2 rupees from your debit card or a credit card, and they will be also reimbursing that 2 rupees back to you after within 4 hours, I guess. So you don't want to worry. Debit card is just for verifications. I will be also sending one support video from AWS itself regarding how to create AWS account. They will be explaining a step-by-step explanation. So far, so we are done with all our installations. Installation prerequisites. Hope yeah. So in case if you have any questions or doubts, give me a call. I will help you to clarify all your doubts. Hope we will meet in a course in upcoming days. Thank you. Then bye.